now the time to all the things once again memorize. So first thing I have told you that the Indian desert is partly rock and partly sand. Is it? Next thing is there, dust storms are very common in desert. Because of that reason, the landforms are being changed. The sands from one place, they are moving from one place to the another place. And camels are cheap mode for transportation in desert. Yes, for the communication, transportation, transformation from one place to another place, the transportation, if you want to do the camels, you have to depend on the camels. Next, the plateaus are also called tablelands. I have told you the plateaus are looking like the table, so that's why its another name is tablelands. And the Deccan Plateau is dry up in summer. Yes, summer means which month? From the month of March to June. This time is considered as the summer here. And in this time, the plateaus region in this region is very hot. And as a result of it, the river produces from this region, they are also dried up. Now we will discuss the question answers of this lesson. So the first question, the first bit, answer the following questions. Is it? So the questions we have to read first. We have to see. The first question is, name the important cities in Great Indian Desert. Do you know, I have told you already that cities like Bikaner, Jodhpur and Jaisalmer are the important cities that lie in the regions of the Great Indian Desert. Is it? So they are all belong to where? The desert. So that's why the atmosphere or the climate of those regions are just like the desertic climate. Is it? So the second one, name 3 trees that grow in desert. Do you know them? The trees that grow in deserts are bamboo, kikar and dates. Yes, they are grown generally in the fire, in the desert area. Next, the third question, what are called plateaus? Do you know, I have told, I explained, and different criteria also I have told you that what should be the landform, these things I we discussed. So the plateaus are flat, uneven tablelands that are higher than plains. They are called the plateaus. Is it? So the fourth one is that name 2 rivers that flow through the Deccan Plateau region. So you have to tell to name river name. Is it? So that one should be the rivers that flow through the Deccan Plateau region are Krishna, Kaveri. You can say also about the Godavari and Mahanadi. They are also from there. Is it? They are also the part of this river. Is it? Who passes through this plateau. So these all about the first bit. Now we will go for the B bit. Fill up the following blanks using clue kit. Inside the clue kit, the words are there, you have to match them. So first one, small sand hills in the desert are called what? They are called the sand dunes. So here you have to write sand is in the sand dunes. D-U-N-E-S. Is it? So that one should be the first answer. What about the second one? The dash lie on the northern side of the Deccan Plate. So what should be the answer? Answer should be the Vindhya. Yes, the Vindhya. So what you have to write here? V-I-N-D-H-Y-A. Is it? That one should one, the main crop cultivated in Deccan Plateaus is, do you know? That one is the cotton. Yes, cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N. In this climate, the cotton is being cultivated there. And if you will see, the fourth one, the Deccan Plateau is rich in what? These trash should be filled by minerals. Yes, that one should be minerals. M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S. Minerals. And what about the fifth one? Rainy season in the Deccan Plateaus. Plateau is what? Which season? Which month? From June to October. Is June to October. Is it clear? So, in this way, the second bit over. Now, we are discussing about the C bit. Write yes or no for the following statements. Okay, so here you are able to see that 5 statements are given. Now, these statements, which one is correct? You have to write yes. Which one is not correct? You have to write no. So, first one, the entire Rajasthan is covered by sand. Is it correct or no? Yes, that one is correct. So, you have to write here yes. Next, the second one, the water is available everywhere in the desert. Is it correct? No, that one is not correct. So, you have to write here no. Next one, the third one, camel is the important means of transport in desert. Yes, that one is correct. So, you have to write here yes. Next, the fourth one, plateaus are higher than plains. Yes, that one is also correct. They are higher than the plains, but they are smaller than the mountains. So, that one is the also correct. Next, the fifth one. We can see Western Ghats in the east of Deccan Plateau. Is it correct? No, Western Ghats. So, it should be visible where? In the western part. That means the western west of the Deccan Plateau. So, that one is also not correct. So, you have to write here no. So, that means this one, this bit over. Is it? Now, we will discuss the D bit. Identify 11 rivers in this word search. So, here different letters are given. You have to form the word and you have to search them. Is it? So, first one, see here S-U-T-L-E-J. So, this one is a Sutlej river. So, first one you got. Is it? Next, see here Yamuna, Y-A-M-U-N-A. This one is the Yamuna river. Is it? So, all of you get how to do these things. Next thing, see here T-A-P-I. Tapi is a river. Is it? Next one, if you will see, let's see here Godavari. G-O-D-A-V-A-R-I. Godavari. Is it? In this way you have to find it out. Next, the Ganga. G-A-N-G-A. See here the Ganga pointing out like this. Is it? Next, if you will see here Ravi. R-A-V-I. Ravi is also the name of one river. So these things you get. One more thing. See here Indus. I-N-D-U-S. Yes, the Indus. You get the Indus also. Next, if you will see that the Kavris. K-A-V-E-R-I. Kavri. That one you are also getting. Is it? Now, if you will see that the Mahanadi. See here M-A-H-A-N-A-D-I. So, in this way, Mahanadi also you are finding. Is it? And if you will see here Gomoti. That one is also, you would find it out. So how is it possible? So this one is Gomoti. Is it? So in this way you find all the rivers. So now we will discuss about the EBIT. Match the following. So here in the left hand side, one column is there. They are the date palms. Second one sand dunes. Third one plateaus. Fourth one oases. And what about the right hand side? The tableland. Next the grown in desert. Next the hills of sand. The last one, that one is the water source in desert. Is it? So these things you have to match. So first one, that date palms, that one should be matched with whom? The big one, they grown in desert. So that's why here you have to write B. Next one, sand dunes. That one should be matched with which one? That one should be matched with the what? They are the grown in desert. And the hills of sand. See here little hills are there. So after this one, that one should be C. They here the sand dunes, the hills of sand, they are called the sand dunes. Is it? And next one, plateaus. That one is be matched with whom? The tableland. That one should be A. Next, only one is remaining. So oasis, that one is the water source in desert. So here you have to write D. In this way, we have completed the EBIT also. Now it's time to do a project. Is it? So here all of you are able to see that locate the following place in the map of India. Is it? So here different part, the desert, third desert. So all of you know that where the third desert is located. Are you able to see where the third desert is located? And the next thing, the Deccan Plateau. Where is it? Just in the down. Is it down of the, that means southern part of the what? The southern part of the India. And the thing is this, that one is the in the southern part. And what about that third desert? That one was in the west part, northwest. And the Satpura mountains, all of you know, you can see here the Satpura mountains. Are you? So in this way you have completed the project work also. So all of you go through the lesson and prepare for our online exam. Thank you.